There lived a farmer in the kingdom of Emperor Akbar. He was very poor, but he worked hard every day. And this is how he supported his family. The farmer was very worried. He needed water to irrigate his fields. Therefore, he was searching for a well around his land for many days. The farmer had a neighbor who was very clever and had cheated many people. The farmer needed water, so he bought a well from his neighbor and gave him all his money. But the neighbor was not allowing him to take water from the well. On the same day, Emperor Akbar was strolling along the river bank in his kingdom. His wisest minister, Birbal, accompanied him. A cool breeze was blowing on the banks of the river and both of them were very happy. Birbal was entertaining Emperor Akbar with his interesting stories. Just then, the farmer and his neighbor came to them with a complaint. The farmer fell at the feet of Emperor Akbar and said, "Maharaj, I bought a well from this man and now he wants me to pay him money to take water from that well." "That's right, Maharaj," said the neighbor. "I sold him the well, not the water inside it." The argument between the two astonished the king. He asked Birbal to settle the fight between them. Birbal listened carefully to both the parties. He saw that the farmer was poor but a true man. Birbal quickly understood that the poor farmer's neighbor was trying to cheat him. Birbal remained silent for some time. Then Birbal said to the neighbor, "I understand that you have sold this well to the farmer, so the well now belongs to him." The neighbor replied, "That's right." Birbal said, "But if you have kept your water in that farmer's well, then either you pay him rent for that water or you take out all your water from that well." The neighbor realized that he could no longer fool the farmer. He immediately apologized to the king and accepted that the farmer had full rights over the well as its water. The farmer thanked Birbal for solving the problem so easily. Seeing this, Emperor Akbar praised Birbal's intelligence and fined the man selling the well for fraud. From this story we learn that we should not consider ourselves more intelligent than others and should also stay away from the habit of cheating, because there may be someone who knows how to use more intelligence than you. In such a situation, your cheating will be caught, and you will have to pay for what you did.